You want to start by identifying the correct seat cover for each seat, and set on top of each cushion. Start by removing headrest from the seat as shown. You will need to align the headrest cover, making sure you align contours and cutouts to match your headrest. Velcro both straps together to ensure a snug fit. Backrest. If the airbag option was selected, you will have a cutout with a flap on the side of each backrest cover. Make sure you align each one to the correct seat. Place seat cover over the top by holding it from both sides and slowly sliding the cover down. Don't forget to push down on cross-slide cuttings on top of your backrest. Use the slanted side of the tool to help push and tuck flaps and elastic bands through the bottom part of the backrest and the bottom cushion. Backrest and elastic bands. Most cars will have a small flap on the bottom backside of your car seat that will need to be unhooked as shown. Pull every strap tight to secure a better fit as shown and secure it to the metal springs on the bottom of the cushion. Bottom cushion. Grab the bottom portion of the car seat cover, making sure you align the seat cover to match contours and cutouts of the bottom cushion, ensuring for a snug fit. Making sure you undo the buckles from each other as shown. Flip and place your cover over the cushion starting from front to back. Use installation tool to better help with installation as shown. Use the slanted side of the tool to help push and tuck the flaps to the back of the seat as shown. Second step. Follow the same step as before by using the installation tool to push the side flap of the bottom cushion in between the bottom cushion and the plastic panel on seat as shown. Now for the bottom cushion portion. You will need to use the installation tool provided for you. Use the fork side to help you push through the remaining straps to the front of the seat and buckle together as shown. making sure you don't interfere with any of the wiring from underneath. Make sure you reattach the elastic band from the original car flap as shown. And lastly, you can attach the last two remaining elastic bands to the bottom of your car cushion for a secure fit. Let's not forget to set the headrest back in place. Back seat backrest. Go ahead and select the seat cover you want to install. In this case, grab your 20% seat cover, making sure you align the seat cover to match contours and cutouts. Bring your backrest slightly forward to better help with the installation. Go ahead and undo the Velcro portion of your backrest and place over the seat, sliding it slowing from side to side as shown. Bottom flap. Make sure you tuck in between the backrest and the bottom cushion of your car seat. Use the installation tool provided for you as you did before to help yourself push the material to the back. From here, all that's left to do is to pull tight your two sides and attach Velcro parts together as shown. Side panels. For the next step, please be advised, you will have limited space to work with. Grab the panel you want to install, place over and start from top to bottom as shown. Use your installation tool to help you tuck and push the plastic tab in between the upholstery of your car and the plastic on the side. Follow this step all around, making sure everything is aligned just the way you want it. Do the same for the other side. %60 backrest seat cover. Grab your seat cover and place over the seat, making sure it matches the cutouts and contours of the seat. Bring your backrest slightly forward and undo the Velcro straps and place over the seat as shown. Start from the left, place onto the backrest cover, making sure everything is on just the way you want it. Let's not forget to pull through the flaps through the back seat and Velcro together. Bottom cushion. There will either be a pressure clip on each end where you will need to firmly push up, or have a clip with a locking mechanism that you will need to slightly pull or rotate. Slightly lift bottom cushion, making sure you don't interfere with any of the wires from underneath. Grab your seat cover and align it with cutouts and contours of the cushion. Go ahead and flip your seat cover around and undo all buckles from the seat cover. Place seat cover onto bottom cushion and start front to back. Lift the bottom cushion and start pushing all straps to the back, attaching all front buckles to the back straps. Start from one side to the other. Don't forget the side strap. Place everything back into place, making sure everything is on just the way you like it. You have successfully installed your CalTrend seat covers and are ready to be enjoyed.